Alright guys, welcome back to a real quick video. This is only Tudia merge for the OnePlus 8. I do have a case for the OnePlus 8 Pro that I'll be getting as well from Tudia. And then I have other cases coming in for the OnePlus 8. But for now, I've had this case right here for quite some time, even before I had my OnePlus. And I just started using it just because, you know, I needed some protection on it for now. So here it is, the merge. It comes in this nice eco-friendly packaging. You've seen it before. But here's the case itself. So I'm going to start with this mute and vibrate switch right here. It's deeply recessed, but it's easy to get to. Like, I don't know, it's not very difficult to get to in here. It's really nice. So even that gets some protection. Then you have your power button right here. Cameras now are kind of flush, not too. I mean, they're recessed a little bit, but not too much. But it's enough to where it doesn't make the case feel too bulky. And then you've got the volume rocker over here. Make sure that microphone is cut out at the top, and you got all your ports at the bottom. And then you turn it on right here. You've got some lip protection going along both the bottom and the top. You can clearly see that lip protection at that angle right there. And then that's it, man. You lay it down flat, you're good to go. You got the different color options that you can do. This is obviously like that silver color. So you can get it in black as well. I have it in black for the OnePlus 8 Pro right here. And so depending on which phone you get, if you get multiple cases and the different colors, you know what I'm saying, it'd be nice if they put together a package where you can interchange the back covers, because these are interchangeable, but obviously not with this one. But here's black for the Pro. And you know, this is just this is one of their most popular cases. I mean, it's a no-brainer. We all know what the Tudia merge is. It's got this grip along this side right here, so when you're holding it, it should fit nice and snug in your hand. And that's it, man. Really brief, really to the point for you guys. I wanted to make sure you saw the phone the phone inside the case. And there it is, man. Quick video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.